Hello guys, how are you? Today we will start our third lecture of database. About today lecture, database application development process, stages of the DBSCL database software development life cycle. The main stages of the database system development life cycle includes the following steps. First one is database planning, then requirement collection and analysis, database design, application design, prototype, implementation, data conversion and loading, testing, and last one is operational maintenance. DBSCLC planning. Managerial activities plan how the stages of database system development life cycle can be realized as efficiently and effectively as possible. Defines mission statement made by mission objects. System definition. Define the scope and boundaries of the database application and the major user views. Also include within the system boundaries not only the current user and application area but also future perspectives. Requirement collection and analysis. Requirement collection is the process to collect user requirement and the function of the system. Analysis include the process like time of completion, resource required to complete the system, and cost required to build the system. Database design. The process of creating a design that will support you the enterprise mission statement and the mission objectives of the required database system. Bottom up and appropriate for simple databases with a relatively small number of attributes. Top down appropriate strategy for the design of complex database. Now, design phases. Conceptual design. Build a model independent of the choice of DBMS. Logical design. Create the database in a given DBMS. Physical design. How the database is stored in hardware. Selecting a DBMS database management system involve selection of a suitable DBMS for the database system. Selection of DBMS for the system preparation like SQL, MySQL and Oracle. Implementation. The physical realization of the database and application designs. The implementation phase include the time to write the code using programming languages like Java, C++, C, PHP. Testing. The process of running the database system within the intent of finding error, verify and validate the system against mission objectives and specified requirements. Operational maintenance. The process of monitoring and maintaining the database system following installation. Database system is fully implemented. The system is continuously monitored and maintained when necessary. New requirements are incorporated into the database system through the preceding stages of the life cycle. So this is all about today. Subscribe my channel Study Tech for watching more videos. Thanks, and press the bell icon for more videos notification.